Hi, I'm Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the presser foot height on your embroidery machine. Here we have a Meistergram Gem XL 1500, and the first thing we'll do is remove the faceplate. Now on this model, this is an independent adjustment for each foot. So if you have different thicknesses of material or different applications, you could set different bars to have different presser foot heights. In order to set your presser foot height, we'll do the following. We'll start with locking our needle bar down. And I'll be using a piece of 3mm cutaway backing folded in two. This is the height adjustment that I like using when I preset all the machines, since normally when embroidering items such as shirts, we'll have a similar thickness of material. So I'll go ahead and place my material here right over the needle plate, and I'll locate my main axis knob. What I'll be doing is pushing the knob inward and rotating counterclockwise or towards me. The purpose of this adjustment I'm doing is to make sure that the foot is pressing over the material accurately, depending on the thickness of the material we're using. Normally, if our presser foot isn't touching the material when it's sewing, it can create problems such as looping, thread breaks, and frays. On the contrary, we have seen issues where if our presser foot is too tight up against the material, we can see marks from the foot left on the material after the item is completed. So for this, we'll go ahead and make the right adjustment. What I'm doing here is I'm bringing the machine down to its lowest depth point. This tells me that this is as far as the foot and the needle are going to travel during operation. The next step is to take a Phillips screwdriver. Now this, you could use a small to medium point, and we'll locate and loosen the presser foot adjustment screw located right above the needle bar. We'll go ahead and break this free. And now we can see that we have this movement which determines what position that presser foot's going to stay at when the needle bar comes down. What we want to do is hold that foot down firmly while we retighten that adjustment screw. We've now set the presser foot height correctly for this thickness of material, and we could return our needle bar back to its main origin position. On this machine, we'll be doing this with our 100 key. You could go ahead and repeat the same steps for the rest of the needle bars. Once you're done, go ahead and replace faceplate. And that's how you adjust a presser foot height on your embroidery machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them below. Thanks again. See ya.